Okay, look, there's an emergency. JP revealed himself to be an actual robot, and he kidnapped your grandma, and he's gonna eat her soul out of her head.
My grandmother's in trouble? I'll be right there.
He's on his way.
How much time do we have?
Enough time to 69.
Just like Don Knotts.
Oh, hello, Mayberry.
You gotta give me a ride.
I'm way too big to drive to the devil's house.
Drive, monkey, drive!